Hello and welcome back to Easy How To video. Today we're going to show you a fundamental skill when it comes to using web browser, how to open and close tabs. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher, we've got you covered. So let's dive right in. Tabs are essential part of web browsing. They allow you to have multiple web pages open simultaneously, making it easy to switch between them. To open new tab, you have a few options. The easiest way is to simply click the plus icon next to your existing tab. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-T or Command-T on Mac to open a new tab. Now that you have multiple tabs open, you can easily switch between them. Just click on the tab you want to view and it will become an active tab. To close a tab, go to the tab you want to close and click the small X icon on the tab. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-W or Command-W on Mac to close the active tab. If you accidentally close a tab, don't worry, you can easily reopen it. Just press Ctrl-Shift-T or Command-Shift-T on Mac to reopen the most recently closed tab. There you have it. Opening and closing tab in your browser is a simple and useful skill that will help you manage your online activities more efficiently. Thanks for watching Easy How To videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Easy How To videos. If you have any question or topic you'd like us to cover, leave a comment below. Until next time and happy browsing!